Bill here with the Metals Minute. Today is Wednesday, August 31st, 2022. Well, we're here at the end of the month. It'll be a few more days before we hear about the inflation numbers for August. So we'll keep an eye on that. We had a peak in June of 9.1%, and then it dipped down. The official July numbers were like 8.6, I believe. So we'll see if that trend continues for August. But regardless of that, we have a lot of uncertainty going on in the world today, and inflation numbers are off the charts in Europe, and the dollar is showing relative strength in international currencies. And so for that reason, we have the metals being under a little bit of selling pressure on the paper markets, and that's bringing down the price a little bit. A lot of the large players are accumulating physical metal, and tamping down that paper price is one way to try to get the best deal they can. I would encourage you to, if you can, it's a great time to add to the stack, so to speak, because I really think we're seeing metals prices that are below what they should be, and so it's a good opportunity. Keep in mind also there's a vast difference between the spot price and the physical price, and that we've seen consistently over the last year. If we look at the average between those two prices, say over the last 20 or 30 years, we're seeing a lot larger divergence currently, and I believe into the near future that will continue to be the case. Now we know that there are alternative exchanges that are being talked about, and some nations are trying to get started, like in India or Russia. Even in the Middle East, they're talking about creating a alternative exchange to the LBMA. And even if all these things come about, it still, I believe, will be some time before that takes full effect and begins to influence the differences between the paper price and the physical price. So just understand that going in, plus the relative dollar strength right now versus other currencies. We're seeing gold and silver, gold especially, near record prices in other currencies. And often that happens before we see the same thing in dollar prices. And so that's where we are, and I believe it's going to be a good time in just a short while to be an owner of precious metals. So take advantage of these prices if you can, but don't be discouraged when you look at the spot price and then you go to purchase that ounce sovereign coin and find out that, you know, you can't purchase physical silver anywhere near the spot price. Same with gold, not to the same degree. Silver is that probably the largest divergence now is in silver, and I think it speaks to the incredible opportunity for silver going forward. Everybody knows that. They're bidding up the physical price, and you know, build the stack if you can. So we'll keep you informed. We've got all the numbers are in the write-up this week, and we'll let you know what's going on later in the week. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day.